This last question is asking us, how would you describe the three-way interaction in this experiment? Let's take a look at what the results look like. What this three-way interaction is showing is that when water is not available and it's 80 degrees in the room, people are getting dehydrated, and when they get dehydrated, classical music doesn't help their memory as much, because we can see that when water is not available and it's 80 degrees in the room, classical music only brings up recall by 1 point. We can see that right here. It only goes up from 5 up to 6. And we can see that in all of the other situations, classical music raises recall by 3 points. When it's 60 degrees and there's no water, recall goes up by 3 points. When it's 60 degrees and there is water, recall goes up by 3 points right here. And when it's 80 degrees and water is available, recall goes up by 3 points. So in all three of these other situations, people aren't getting dehydrated, because if it's 60 degrees, it's pretty cool in the room, so you won't get dehydrated, regardless of whether you have water or don't have water. And when it's 80 degrees and you do have water, you won't be dehydrated because you're drinking water. But in this one situation over here where water is not available and it's 80 degrees, you'll get dehydrated, and classical music won't help you as much, which is why this line right here isn't as steep. It's only a 1 point difference. So let's find out which of the answer choices matches up with what I just said. So if water is not available, classical music has less of an effect when the temperature is hot, because in that situation, people are getting dehydrated, and because of the dehydration, classical music isn't helping their memory as much as it would otherwise.